In this video I want to show you how to join this component to this one in the middle. You can see here that I have got some other components, but by clicking on the little eye symbol I can get rid of them. Okay, so I just wanted to simplify this, I just want to focus on joining these two components together. You will already have got an assembly of two of these pieces and the other piece, but I just want to show you this for simplicity. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to join this together. So we go to Assemble, Joint, and if you notice you can actually select the center of that piece there. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to check I've got that as rigid, which I have, and then I'm going to zoom it in again because I want to see there's a square there. I want to click on that. I want to join by that as well, and you can now see that those two pieces are joined. And this is this piece here, so I can just click on OK. This piece penetrates inside the other piece. Okay, so the next thing I want to do, after I've done that, I want to actually create this slot. So the way I do that is I use this combine command, and I'm going to say I want to cut. I want to keep the tool. I'm going to use one to cut the other. It says the target body is this one, and then the tool body is this one. Okay, and then if we click OK, if I then turn this off, you should see that that's created the slot inside that part. So we've joined those two together, and then we've used one part to cut the other one, which gives us that slot which is for the joint. Okay, so that's how you create that operation. I've deleted some other parts just so that you can focus on those operations. Okay, thank you.